Hello, my name is Karen Scorsia. I am 27 years old. I am Colombian. I live in Urumita. I live with my husband and my son. My husband works in Colanta. My son is 7 years old and my son in first year student he liked to play a lot and has go to school. I like reading books. I love going to the fields. I work in the fields. I study zootechnics at United University. I don't like playing video games. I don't like to exercising. I remember the days when I working in Grabacion. I arrived in town in January. Cars are ride for 4 hours. I was in a hotel near the beach. I bathe in the sea every afternoon. The water is warm. I really like the sea although I am scared beyond the shore. This year I want to go to Cartagena is I want to drink the food of the city. I would like to know the beach and go for a drive. Cartagena is a very beautiful city. I want to meet her. I am going to travel by plane to have more time to enjoy everything. Bye. Thank you.